Am I the only one who didn't know you could make 15 grand before Valentine's Day? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how. Imagine creating your own designs and seeing them come to life on products people love. With print on demand, you can easily create and sell items like t-shirts, mugs, and more, without ever touching inventory. Platforms like Kittl, Printify, Etsy, and eBay make it simple. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a business guru, just follow a few easy steps. Step 1. Create your unique designs using tools like Kittl AI. Step 2. List your products on popular marketplaces. Step 3. Promote your items on social media and watch the sales roll in. By consistently uploading around 20 products a day, you can hit that $15,000 target. And the best part? You can start today with zero experience. Still skeptical? Hear from real people who have turned their creative ideas into serious cash. The opportunity is real, and it's waiting for you. So, why wait? Start your print-on-demand journey today and make this Valentine's Day one to remember. Visit website address and begin your path to $15,000 now. Ready, set, go.